Yo, Dad, since I have prom tonight, is it cool if I take the McLaren? No. Ah, good plan, man. This is usually when you say you're kidding, right? No. Are you serious? Why not? That's not a 720S, dude. That's a P1. Do you know how old you are? 17? Yeah, and prom is tonight, so I know you're gonna try to impress your date. Come on, Dad. You know I'm not gonna be speeding like that. No, that's it. End of conversation. That car's way too expensive and way too fast for you right now. You can drive it in the future, just not tonight. I understand. Does that mean you're gonna drive us there? I didn't say you couldn't drive there. Tonight's your night, and you gotta make sure you look ballin' as hell. Take the NSX. No way, for real? Yeah. Looks like a Ferrari to the average person, but it don't sprint like one. You're lucky I haven't installed